On behalf of the City of Philadelphia's Department of Commerce and Division of Aviation, I'd like to thank our elected officials and regional stakeholders that supported the bipartisan infrastructure law that made the airport terminal program possible. This funding will support our restroom renovation program, which will renovate existing and construct additional restrooms, assisted care restrooms, lactation rooms, and service animal relief areas. These rooms will feature both smart and touchless technology that will enhance public health and sustainability. Thank you.
As part of our continuous commitment to enhancing the guest experience, the next project in our restroom program will be modernizing 30 sets of passenger-facing restrooms, constructing 2 new restrooms, and much, much more. We leaned in on the team's expertise, past experience, as well as several industry guidelines to aid the restroom planning and programming process. As one example, our airside restrooms were calculated based on aircraft seat capacity. We identified the largest aircraft, which has potential to park at each gate without adversely impacting adjacent gates. Another example, we used a 25% increase factor to account for women's longer utilization time and the fact that they typically bring children into the restrooms. We even used other airport standard documents as a sanity check and to validate that the calculations we did were realistic and within reason. The majority of the 30 restrooms being renovated were constructed in the early 2000s and have reached the end of their useful life. The HVAC that we are designing will be 60% more efficient, and plumbing fixtures will use 29% less water. Energy recovery units, LEDs, and occupancy sensors will further reduce energy and water use. And all of these carbon reduction initiatives will support our sustainability commitments and help us advance in our airport carbon accreditation journey. There are no current federal, state, or local guidelines about the amount and location of assisted care rooms in airports. However, based on internal discussions and our desire to make our airport truly welcoming to all guests, we determined that we should aim to include 1 assisted care room in every other terminal, and that's just the starting point. We're bringing our existing restrooms into full ADA compliance. We are constructing mothers' nursing rooms, essentially transitioning from the pods we have today to built-in spacious suites. Additionally, the nursing mother's room and Sarah's will be permanent wheelchair-accessible facilities. And our gender-neutral restrooms will offer a welcoming place for our LGBTQ+ guests. We regularly engage with disadvantaged populations around PHL, providing access to jobs and business opportunities via career fairs and outreach events. Earlier this year, we held a contractor outreach event to introduce this project to the various diverse businesses in the Philadelphia region. And through this project alone, approximately 1,100 jobs will be supported.